Learn English with Alex. Daily routines in English. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Wake up. Get up. Get up. I get up at 6:30. Get up. Make the bed. Make the bed. I make the bed in my bedroom every day. Make the bed. Take a shower. Take a shower. I'm going to take a shower. Take a shower. Brush the teeth. Brush the teeth. I like to brush my teeth with this toothpaste. Brush the teeth. Get dressed. Get dressed. I usually get dressed before I eat breakfast. Get dressed. Comb my hair. Comb my hair. I have to comb my hair. Comb my hair. Have a breakfast. Have a breakfast. I have breakfast at 7 every morning. Have a breakfast. Go to school. Go to school. I go to school on weekdays. Go to school. Study. Study. I study hard at school. Study. Have lunch. Have lunch. The students have lunch at school. Have lunch. Come home, get home. Come home, get home. You can have your tea as soon as you come home from school. Come home, get home. Do your homework. Do your homework. Do your homework before you watch TV. Do your homework. Have dinner. Have dinner. We always have dinner at the same time every day. Have dinner. Watch TV. Watch TV. I like to watch television after school. Watch TV. Take a bath. Take a bath. I'm going to take a bath. Take a bath. Go to bed. Go to bed. I usually go to bed at 10. Go to bed. Practice time. Let's practice which is correct. A. Go to bed. B. Go to school. C. Come home. Go to school. Which is correct? A. Watch TV. B. Brush the teeth. C. Get dressed. Get dressed. Which is correct? A. Have breakfast. B. Study. C. Make breakfast. Have breakfast. Which is correct? A. Take a shower. B. Take a bath. C. Brush the teeth. Take a bath. Which is correct? A. Watch TV. B. Read a book. C. Come to TV. Watch TV. Which is correct? A. Watch TV. B. Wake up. C. Get up. Wake up. Which is correct? A. Watch homework. B. Do school. C. Do your homework. Do your homework. Which is correct? A. Brush the teeth. B. Comb hair. C. Take a shower. Brush the teeth. Which is correct? A. Brush a shower. B. Take a bath. C. Take a shower. Take a shower. Which is correct? A. Make the dinner. B. Make the bed. C. Do the bed. Make the bed. Which is correct? A. Get up. B. Make up. C. Do up. Get up. Which is correct? A. Get to bed. B. Go to bed. C. Do to bed. Go to bed. Which is correct? A. Cook. B. Sing. C. Study. Study. Which is correct? A. Have dinner. B. Watch TV. C. Make dinner. Have dinner. Which is correct? A. Brush my teeth. B. Comb my teeth. C. Comb my hair. Comb my hair. Which is correct? A. Come home, get home. B. Come shop, get shop. C. Come home, take home. Come home, get home. Which is correct? A. Have lesson. B. Have lunch. C. Bring lunch. Have lunch. Listen, repeat, practice. Thanks for watching and bye for now.